Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to set up Cash App Tag Vend, activate and use your Vend for payments. So firstly, how to activate your Cash App Vend. The step 1, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Now sign in to your Cash App account if prompted. Now hold the Cash App Vend against the back of your phone. Now wait for Cash App to detect the NFC tag automatically. Now follow the on-screen instructions to link the Vend to your active Cash App card. Wait until you see the confirmation that your Cash App tag has been activated. Now, how to use your Cash App Vend. Step 1, visit any store that accept Visa contactless. Tap to pay payment. Now you can tell the cashier you are paying with contactless payment if necessary. Now hold the tip of the Vend close to the payment terminal. Then wait for the terminal to beep or display a successful payment message. After that, your purchase amount will be deducted from the same balance linked to your Cash App card. You will receive an instant payment notification in the Cash App. Goodbye and thanks for watching.